Run all, again, how many dozen pairs of fucking wrong. It's scratch going away.
When you're ordering a boat online,
I like to see
go to rockauto.com for 24 hours service. It immediately will deliver to your door.
Go someplace or we're down a list.
rockauto.com. There's so many of our fans want to see home stuff for today. Check out the video.
You're down a list.
We'll come back later in the class towards the end. Now it's down to W. It is just with 205 even. 205 even. Peter Mueller with the John Deere Beacon. About a 1941 vintage year on this production. The last John Deere Beacon we had out there went about 216. I'm sadly doing that. Let's see if Peter can catch up to that. And then challenge for the lead after that. Alright, he's going to get a stop put to him right there. That's Peter Mueller with the John Deere Beat. If it gives that whole class a 3,500 pound antique, Peter being the last tractor of the class. Peter's distance 201.8, 201 feet 8 inches. The 4,000 pound class of antiques pulling nearest to the grandstand. And I will be turning it over to the 5,000 mid-state equipment. Mountain Olympus, City Coffee Equipment, Supreme Award, United Cooperative, Viking Village and Viking Express, and along with William Turner Farms. Thank you to all our sponsors here from the Sauk County Fair. We appreciate everything they donate, whether it's time, effort, equipment, or cash. Help keep the fair running along smoothly and help present all the grandstand shows throughout the week and weekend.
I just pulled over his car there.
Peter Mueller, now backed up for John Deere 1944 year vintage. He's got a green light, so he's ready to go here. Again, this is a fairly large, good-sized class of 5,000 antiques we're working on. Same with the on the Deere went over there for you. 6,000 antique class is going to start up. And the 6,000 pound class starting out is going to be Wayne May. He's got a mini old lead over there. Peter Mueller with his John Deere 8, working his way down the track on this side. Meter distance 235 feet 4 inches. 235.4 per meter. The power him will be Brandon Lumont, our